Soon to the canopy you will be led. Your mother arrives from the world of the dead, and she comes to your wedding in silver and gold. She offers her hand for the angels to hold. O Chanelah's daughters, a glorious bride, does Chanelah glitter with gold or with pride? And Hannah, your mother, says, bursting with joy, my Leah is marrying a wonderful boy. But suddenly, Chanelah, why do you sigh? And why does your heart break? And why do you cry? Strangers are leading the bridal parade, while I stand unseen, alone and afraid. The living are dancing with those that they see, and only the dead will be dancing with me. And the daughter of Hannah is married that day to the bridegroom who's waiting to dance her away. And that's the Klezmatics. They sing and they play, and all through the dancing the spirits they stray. The prophet Elijah, he dances and sings, and silver and gold are the blessings he brings. And shekels flop over the prophet's gold cup, and the dead and the living both gobble them up. Canopy you will be led. Your mother arrives from the world of the dead.